What if I told you your job could be replaced by AI? But instead of being left behind, you used it to get rich? Today, I'll show you 10 powerful, and totally free, AI tools that can do your work faster, smarter, and in some cases, entirely for you. Stick around, because number 7 could literally apply to jobs while you sleep. Let's dive in. First up, the king of AI, ChatGPT. With the free version, you can write blog posts, generate emails, summarize documents, solve coding issues, and brainstorm business ideas, all in seconds. It's like having a copywriter, developer, and virtual assistant in your pocket, and it never sleeps. Tool number 2, Notion.AI. This smart workspace helps you summarize meeting notes, create task lists, write reports, and even plan your week. It's like having a digital second brain that keeps your ideas organized, your projects on track, and your productivity on autopilot. Want to start a business in under a minute? Durable.co is an AI website builder that creates a full business website based on one simple sentence about your idea. It writes your copy, builds the layout, adds design, and does it all in under 30 seconds. No tech skills required. Number 4 is a dream for designers, Leonardo.AI. This tool lets you create stunning images, game assets, product mockups, or social media graphics, just by typing a prompt. People are already using it to sell artwork and design characters for games, all without traditional design skills. Next up, ElevenLabs, the most realistic AI voice generator available today. Use it to narrate videos, voice audiobooks, or create faceless YouTube content just like this. The free plan gives you 20,000 characters per month, perfect for beginners building a channel or product. Tired of taking notes in meetings? Fireflies.ai joins your Zoom or Google Meet calls, records the conversation, and sends you a full transcript with action points. It's like having a personal assistant that never misses anything, even if you forget to hit record. Tool number 7 is a game changer. LazyApply uses AI to automatically apply for jobs across sites like LinkedIn and Indeed, based on your preferences. You set it up once, and it can apply to hundreds of jobs while you sleep. It's job hunting on autopilot. Ever wish you could talk to a PDF? With ChatPDF, you upload any document, like a manual, research paper, or contract, and ask it questions like you're chatting with a person. It instantly gives you answers, summaries, and explanations. No more reading walls of text. Number 9, Zapier. This tool connects all your favorite apps and automates repetitive tasks, like saving Gmail attachments to Drive or posting new leads into a spreadsheet. Think of it as digital duct tape that keeps your workflow running without lifting a finger. And finally, Pictory.ai. This tool takes your blog posts or written scripts and turns them into full YouTube videos with music, visuals, and voiceovers. Perfect for faceless channels. No filming. No editing. Just content creation made ridiculously easy. So, will these AI tools replace your job? Maybe. But now you know how to use them to replace your 9-to-5, or grow a side hustle into real income. Let me know in the comments which tool you're trying first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because next, I'm showing you the AI tool that does 8 hours of work in just 3 minutes.